Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to turn on or how to use full screen settings on your Android device. So that's a very simple step or simple procedures to do. So let's assume I want to use this Binance application, and as you can see it's not in full screen settings because you can see my time over here. You can still see the battery percentage, you can see the networks over here. So to use the full screen settings, you come to settings application. So when you come to settings, select display and brightness. So when you come to display and brightness, come to more display settings. So when you come to more display settings, come to full screen display. So when you come to full screen display, select the applications that you want to turn on for full screen usage. So I'll select Binance, then I'll select YouTube, even Netflix. Alright, so after selecting them like this, when I go and open them, I'll be having a full screen display whereby you won't be seeing any of this here up. You won't be seeing my time, you won't be seeing my battery, you won't be seeing the networks and any other messages or notifications. Alright, so that's how it works. If you found value in this video, please consider subscribing and leave a like for our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. We shall meet in the next video.